go this way.
Okay, Jacob, find the waterfall. We're in the jungle, guys. We're with the animals. Well, it's big, but it looks real. Oh, what's that?
It's a turtle.
It's a live turtle. Oh, the turtle. Okay, see the waterfall. Oh, look, actually fish. Look at the actual fish.
This.
There's a big fish. Wow. Jacob. Take a video on me. Look at all the fish. Yeah. Wow. Hey, look, it's a waterfall. Volcano. Monkey. A horse. Oh, look. There's no stuff over here. Come on, Jake. Jake, there's no stuff. Look at a goat. Jake, you scream like that?
No.
What is this? Ooh, I don't want to get stung by those.
Do not poke.
They will hurt. Ooh, what's over there?
Daddy, this is a trash.
Let's go over here. What's up there? Wow. Okay. Well, we're going in the jungle. Oh, another one.
Oh, it's done.
Okay, there's nothing else. It's just a bunch of couches I can sit on.
Oh boy.
That's loud. Alright, bye guys.